Window hardware corroded or rusted. You gotta act fast before it messes up your whole window setup. So, first thing, grab a soft brush or an old toothbrush and gently clean off the rust and dirt. You don't want to be all rough because that can damage the metal more. Then, hit the hardware with some white vinegar or a rust remover. You know, just enough to loosen the gunk. After the rust softened, wipe everything down with a damp cloth and let it dry completely. Next up, slap on some lubricant like silicone spray or a light machine oil to keep those parts moving smooth. If any screws or hinges are totally shot, don't hesitate to swap them out. It's better than struggling with stuck windows forever. Also, try to keep your windows dry and check them regularly to avoid rust building up again. Trust me, a little upkeep goes a long way in keeping your window hardware working like new. One of the biggest mistakes people make with corroded window hardware is ignoring the problem until the rust is so bad that parts break or stop working altogether. The fix? Catch rust early by doing quick cleanups once in a while. Another common issue is using the wrong kind of lubricant, which can actually attract dust and make things worse. Stick to silicone spray or light oil instead of grease or heavy stuff. Lastly, some folks try to force rusty parts open or closed, which can bend or break the hardware. Instead, take time to clean and lubricate properly before trying to move stuck windows. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle window repairs and replacements without any hassle. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people who really need their skills and grow their business in the neighborhood.